Hey guys, Roman at CarTips. What's going on? So it's been a while since I've uploaded a video. As you know, this channel is all about cars, tips, bodywork, and paint. So today, I thought I would review this Lexus that I have recently purchased. Okay, so this is a 2004 Lexus ES 330. Nothing too special about it. I mean, it's pretty much a slightly upgraded version of Toyota's Camry. I wanted to start off by saying that I bought this car with 150,000 miles on it. It has a clean title, and I paid $3,500 for it. So this includes paperwork, title transfer, plates, and stickers, whatnot. So all that stuff, $3,500. Okay, so the cons of this car: the two front seats have seat covers, and that's for a reason. Front seats are completely torn up. The leather is in very bad condition visually, all the way down to the foam inside the seat. But with the seat covers on them, they feel just fine. Another thing, the left rear window doesn't roll down at all, but at least the AC works really well, blows ice cold, so that's good. And the last thing, the dash started to come apart here at the passenger airbag seam up top here due to the harsh Maui, Hawaii sun. But this of course can be prevented from getting any worse by parking the car in a garage or in just some shade, or simply by putting up a windshield reflector, when parking in the sunlight. Okay, so there you have it. The bad things about this car. I would say that they're not so bad considering what I paid for it, and I honestly think it's actually an awesome deal for $3,500. So it is a Lexus. These are some of the most reliable cars out there on the market right now. Okay, so for driving impressions, I really love the way this vehicle drives. Once again, it is a Lexus. Really well insulated, nice soft ride. Anything you'd expect from Lexus, really. Really nice. It's got some nice options too. So it's got this auto dimming mirror. I really like it. A lot of cars have that nowadays, but for 2004, back in 2004, this is a pretty nice option. And I've never seen this before. There's this button here on the left side of the driver's steering wheel, and it says pedal. And so when you push it, it actually makes the brake pedal and the accelerator pedal go higher and lower, just to adjust for driver comfort position. It's really nice. So if you're a shorter driver, you might want to bring it up, or if you're taller, you want to bring it down. Really nice. It's, I don't know, maybe a little redundant in my opinion, but hey, Lexus, they're going to put it in. That's pretty cool. And speaking of, driver's seating position, it has, saved memory seats. So there's a setting you could save for one driver. So for example, one for yourself, another for your spouse. But yeah, once again, the driving impressions really nice, really soft. I have nothing much to say. It handles really nicely. It is a 3.3 liter V6 engine, so it does have like 18 miles per gallon on average, so that's not that great, but it is a V6, so the torque is always there. I love it. But as far as for the MPGs, they're not that great in my opinion. Julie and I have recently started surfing, and they don't have like a roof rack. There's no way to put like cross rails or crossbars or anything, so that's a bummer. So if you're like into snowboarding or surfing or kayaking or whatever, you can't like put anything on top of the car unless you just strap it down the old school way with straps, which is what we ended up doing. But yeah, that's kind of a downside, that there's no way to put up crossbars on the roof. That's an issue we ran into. But Lexus owners are probably not going to do that to their cars. You're going to buy a different vehicle for that. Or if you are, you're going to buy an RX, so Lexus SUV segment. But yeah, leather interior, power seats. Overall, I would rate this car an 8 out of 10 as far as luxury and utilitarian use and everything put together, considering I only paid $3,500 for it. So for that price, I think this is absolutely a great deal. Alright, so that is the 2004 Lexus ES 330. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give a thumbs up down below. Maybe consider subscribing for more content like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Later, guys.